Okay, this is Mike with Edge On Up, and this tutorial is simply going to be an overview and exploration of the differences between E LAB A and E LAB B. I should say the differences and the similarities. So I just want to say this much first though, and that is that first of all, the technology employed here with these two units is practically bulletproof. Both units gather force data at a very high rate and do so in an extremely accurate and repeatable fashion. They not only allow tests to be conducted with our test media, like this, but in most cases, with the actual materials that you are cutting on your factory floor, your shop, or even your kitchen at home. So our system here is infinitely simple and practically infallible as long as two factors are present. As long as your Edge Lab unit continues to calculate force accurately and your computer continues to calculate time correctly, the results of your tests will always indicate an accurate representation of the force required to separate a test medium under the test circumstances that you have elected to use. So let's talk about the differences and the similarity of these two units. First of all, what is different? So our E LAB A here has a capacity of 5,000 grams and 1 gram of resolution. Our E LAB B has a capacity of 3,000 grams and 1 gram of resolution. The A has a faster processor speed, which yields more accurate, which yields more averaging time committed to each calculation. The A package includes our Edge Lab Pro graphing software with real-time trimming, and our basic E LAB B package comes with our standard user interface but is upgradable to Edge Lab Pro. The warranty for E LAB B is 3 years and the A 5 years. The features that both systems share are both have a serial port located here, and let me turn that around so that you can see it. Let me turn it around so I can see it as well, right here. Both have adjustable leveling legs. Let me pick it up again here, and that's located right here. And both accept our full range of accessories. And you'll see these 4 holes that are drilled and tapped right here to accept, in this case, our CNC10. The keypad layout and operation are the same for both units. And let me turn this around a bit here and I'll show you that operation. And I'm going to make sure, I'm going to take a quick peek at the camera here and make sure that that keypad's in the frame. Let me back it up just a bit. Okay, so we power the both units on right here. And of course this is the E LAB A. Now when we power up, we automatically default to our max edge sharpness test mode. And you can see this when we press on the force plate, that the maximum amount of force is displayed and frozen on the display. Now, if we want to get rid of that, we press our tear button, and we can do that again. So we'll tear that out. Now, if we want to go into slice mode, we press the SLC button, and you'll notice there, in this case, the value is not frozen on the display. And that's just about as simple as it is. We do have an Rs232 Send button. So for instance, let's start over here. If we wanted to, for instance, run this value up, we could manually send that value to our user interface where it would be logged. Okay, and that is about the size of the E LAB A and E LAB B, similarities and differences. So thanks for tuning in. And when the music comes on, that means it's time to turn the lights in our sharpening room off.